Included with your order will be 2 leg extensions with pre-installed threaded suction cups, 2 armrest rails, 2 bracket arms, 1 toilet bracket, 2 bracket screws, 2 rail bolts, 2 plastic washers, 2 screw knobs. There are no tools required for this assembly. Step 1. Remove the seat and lid from your toilet. Step 2. Align toilet bracket with existing holes in your toilet and reinstall your toilet seat and lid, securing the bolts through the bracket holes. Step 3. Insert wide ends of bracket arms into the loops in the toilet bracket. Align screw holes in bracket with screw holes in bracket arms and secure with bracket screws. Step 4. Attach leg extensions to bottom of armrest rails. Align locking pins with holes in leg extensions and adjust to desired height. Step 5. Fit top of armrest rail over narrow end of bracket arm. Align holes and thread plastic washer over bolt before inserting and tightening. Congratulations on assembling your toilet safety rail. For more information and other great products, please visit us at vivehealth.com.